My name is Martijn Stiphout. I build hollow wooden surfboards made out of predominantly reclaimed sources of lumber. I will use a laser cutter and cut out my internal frames. From there it goes in gluing together the frames and creating a rib structure that I can adhere the decks to. I use a basic plywood for the interior structure. It's the strongest and lightest wood for that purpose. From there on, it's basically creating the decks and laminating those to the wooden structure. And then adding the rails. In building a wooden surfboard, your final shape is the first thing that's determined. And from there on, you start adding little bits together until you build out to that final shape. So it's kind of a reverse process. The only real shaping that transfers between foam and wood is essentially turning the rails. So after that's done, then it's pretty similar to a foam board. The board gets glassed. Glass on fins, which is mostly what I do. And from there, sand and polish and hopefully go surf.